Hey guys, welcome back to Sun City Living. If you're new here, I want to welcome you to the channel. My name is Teresa Ramirez, and I'm a realtor with eXp Realty here in the beautiful El Paso, Texas. Today, I'm bringing you guys a tour of a beautiful new construction home. This one is by Carefree Homes, and it is called the Morocco 2. This one features 2276 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and this one is listed at 311,950, so just under 312. Um, some things that I really love about this house in particular that is available for sale is that it does have a lot of upgrades. You will see in the tour that it does feature 100% tile in the bottom floor, in the main floor. So the entry is going to have a tile as well as the kitchen and living area. And then also what I love about this floor plan is the huge loft that you have upstairs, which serves as a family room, man cave, if you want to have a little space for the kids to have their own living room. It allows for that, along with two additional living spaces down in the main floor. Another thing I really love about this one too is that it does include the quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the bathrooms. The colors in this one are white and grays. Super nice house. If you have any questions on this one in particular, please let me know. Carefree does also have lots if you're looking to build. They do have lots coming in the Horizon area as well as the Tierras area, both far east side. So if you guys have any questions on this one or another builder, you know that I'm your girl. Thanks so much for tuning in and enjoy the tour.